Yeah, give thanks, you know. You know the thing going, you know. Me I say 100% talent, you know. Me I say big up all of the judges and all contestants. So me I say, yeah. I mean I say, yo, the whole of life is just a moment in time, you know. So therefore it's our duty to try to find the purpose and fulfill that. I mean I say, yo, every youth can just want bad and want for a chop and every girl just want for art. Jamaica wants some people to make a positive impact. Want to see changes, want to see innovation, want to see Jamaica become a better nation. I can't take the bag of loose meditation, want to see youth take in the medication. Because time hard, things are get rough, and I don't want to get the youth to lose the focus. Look how much money we are pay and bus, and it's like the government don't even care about us. So that's why I tell you, them say don't waste no time, no make peer pressure get you caught in a crime. Young girl, take the boyfriend thing off of your mind and make pregnancy making her reach grade 9. Cause me no want to get the youth them for strain. No want to see them get left behind. Me want to see them elevate in a life one step at a time. Capable, want to see them a shine. Want to see the ghetto youths a rise. Want to see the ghetto youths a strive. Yeah, only God know the things that we go through, but we not give up the fight. Want to see the ghetto youths a rise. Me want to see the ghetto youths a strive. Yeah, only God know the things that we go through. Yeah, hear me? In the street, man, I hustle every day, come I want to see a change. Want to see my wages a raise, so I beg Jah for guide me from pagan. Want to see me go down in a grave, get to you. Listen to your parents and nobody follow friends, must stop going like your audience. All a steady focus, put in the trust in a job, for put length on your days. Want to see the ghetto youths rise, want to see the ghetto youths strive. Only God know the things that we go through, but we not give up the fight. I want to see the ghetto youths rise, want to see the ghetto youths strive. Only God know the things that we go through. Yeah, hear me? Want to see changes, want to see innovation, want to see Jamaica become a better nation. I can't take the bag of loose meditation, I want to see. You know the thing going on, man. Fully.
Hey, trust me right now, may I tell you, the talent show is blazing and exciting right now, may I tell you. Hey, big up the artists. You know it going on. Kapable, Nero. What you have to say?
You know, sir, my artists, them though.
Are you artists?
All of them. Everybody.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
What go on for the artists? Turn down the beat.
All right, so, Kapable for me.
Turn down the beat, yeah.
Him always a deliver. Him know him composure. And him know to rock the stage. Him know say him not have much dimension to work with, so let's do what him can do. So him get my vote.
Right, just so. All right, so yeah, going good from the first time, you know. I think this is the third time, right? And yeah, going good. The judges them a look for you and everything. Kisha Las Vegas, Kapable here for you, you know.
Honestly, there's nothing to say. I welcome you in the competition and look forward to, you know, you improving on what you already are doing. So there's nothing much. Thank you so much for entering.
All right, Kapable, big up yourself.
Hi viewers, my name is Ian Bennett and I am the host of In the Hot Seat. If you like the video you just saw and would like to see more of the same type of video, please click the subscribe button and the like button as we produce videos every Wednesday. Thank you.